How to factory reset iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to factory reset your iPhone, then before erasing, make sure that you have backed up or transferred any information that you need to keep from your iPhone. And now go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then scroll down and tap on your Apple ID and then tap on the sign out option you see there. Further, you might be required to enter your Apple ID password. Now, go ahead and make sure the Health, Keychain, and Safari toggle buttons are also toggled off. Finally, tap on the Sign Out option and then choose the Sign Out option again for one final confirmation. Now, before you reset your Apple device, make sure that you back up the data to your computer or to iCloud. You can also transfer files, settings, and other information directly to a new phone. Now, once you have signed out, go back to settings and then go ahead and tap on the general option you see there. Further, tap on transfer or reset iPhone option and then tap on the erase all content and settings option and then tap on continue. You may need to enter your passcode to confirm your action. Finally, tap on the erase iPhone command to reset the phone and your device will be wiped and restored to factory conditions. After the reset, your device restarts and places you at the setup screen. So, this was about how you can factory reset your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.